Precious Ndlovu, a grade 10 learner at Pandemfundo Secondary School, tragically took her own life on Wednesday, 6 May 2026, leaving behind a child who is 8 months old. It is alleged that bullying by a teacher at the school may have been a contributing factor. Precious's mother, Buyiswa Ndlovu, reported that she found her daughter in a state of distress on Tuesday, 5 May 2026, crying and playing burial songs.
Tuesday, ma'am, we are sending so Precious, what's wrong? Precious okay? Angangiphenduli vele angibheke then akhala uyakhala and udlalisa nalengoma ama burial songs like lengoma lezi.
Oh yes.
Okay, I was like, okay, maybe I'll go comfortable ungiphendula phambi kwethu la endlini. Let's go for a drive. Then I took her for a drive, Samba. It's a driver around Lema 19. What's wrong? The first thing I mentioned was, Mama, we are forced to go to school and I'm then yini inkinga yakho mina ngiyahlukumezeka yonke into errong umem uthi it happened ukuthi last week ngifike late bekangiklinisa i-office lonke umem angiklinisa i-office lonke ngento engingayazi ayilapha khale kakhulu.
In response to the incident, learners from most Etwatwa schools boycotted classes on Friday, 8 May 2026, calling for action against the teacher in question. A community member appeals to the Department of Education to address the concerns and ensure a fair outcome.
Ngicela ukuthi mina ngicela i-department ithathe inyathelo ezifair yekela ukumela bomema abasenza into ezirong. Namhlanje ngicela ukutshela i-department ukuthi ngicela basukume ba-investigate uprincipal wasePhandimfundo ngoba lo mema lo okungaye namhlanje umngani wakhe angisho baculelana ama-happy birthday angisho ema-ofisini namhlanje umntwana akasekho.
The ward councillor Siyabonga Nkosi announced that investigations has been initiated, promising to provide a comprehensive conclusion within 14 working days.
No. We just called the leaders of the march to come and defuse the situation while we are dealing with the investigation. It's going to take in 14 days for the department to investigate, and we have a committee of 10 people that will lead on behalf of parents. We are also going to include learners so that we deal with a lot of issues that are in the school, because it's not only this issue, there are also underlying issues that contribute to the disturbance. So that's what we are trying to do.